welcome to our look at the upcoming week of August 24th in the binary options markets. As you can see, this is a very quiet open. Matter of fact, Monday has nothing. A couple of treasury auctions out of the United States, that's about it. So really, at this point in time, there isn't much to pay attention to on Monday, but Tuesday gets GDP coming out of Germany. That, of course, can move the euro and the DAX. And a little later, we get PMI, market services PMI out of the United States. The 26th, which of course is Wednesday, gets us going with durable goods orders out of the United States. Crude oil stocks change. That could be interesting because the WTI grade is hugging the $40 level at this point in time. As we creep into the back half of the week, you can see that the market really starts to lose economic announcements until we get to Thursday. We have GDP, gross domestic product price index. We also have core PCE, initial jobless claims. Those are all U.S. stock market numbers. And then as we drift into the night, we get some unemployment numbers out of Japan. Ultimately, we start Friday with GDP out of Switzerland. More importantly, though, we do see retail sales out of Germany. That could, of course, move German markets as well as just Europeans in general. Jackson Hole Symposium starts at the end of the week. That's one of those things that you really can't trade until you get some type of an announcement out of it, some economic statement, something to that effect. In the meantime, it's probably best just to keep an ear to the ground as to what people are saying. With all of those numbers out there to move the S&P 500, it's interesting to look at as we have seen the S&P 500 get absolutely pounded. But we are approaching pretty significant support, so we have to see whether or not we can keep buying pressure in this area. If we do get a supportive candle on the daily chart or even 4-hour chart, something like that, could be a nice call buying opportunity. Otherwise, we probably fall to 1900. Gold markets have had a nice showing, but what this weekly chart doesn't show you is how much we struggled at 1160. We're actually put buyers on resistant candles. And right now, that daily candle on the gold, in the gold market, I should say, actually looks like it's going to be a shooting star. About as negative as it gets. If the US dollar picks up a little bit of strength during the week, this market will fall right back down. The DAX got absolutely pummeled as well, but faces a lot of support here at 10,000 euros. We're simply going to wait to see if that stabilizes the market and buy calls. Certainly can't start buying puts at this point. You're late to the game if you're trying that. And with that, we've taken a look at the upcoming week of August 24th in the binary options markets.